Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook walleye wings. First, let's prepare these delicious cuts. Walleye wings are actually the pectoral fins, a unique and often overlooked part of the fish. Start by giving them a good rinse under cold water. Then, it's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that perfect crispy texture. Finally, trim any ragged edges or excess fat for a neat finish. Now, let's get those walleye wings seasoned and ready for cooking. A fantastic dredge can be made with a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of fine cornmeal, and your preferred blend of spices. Think about adding a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon each of garlic powder and paprika. Dip each wing into an egg wash, then coat it thoroughly and evenly in your dredge mixture. There are several excellent ways to cook your walleye wings to perfection. Deep frying them in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit will give you a wonderfully crispy exterior in just 3 to 5 minutes. Pan frying in a shallow amount of oil also works beautifully. For a lighter option, try air frying at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Always cook until they are golden brown and reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your walleye wings are cooked to a beautiful golden crisp, it's time to serve them up. For the absolute best flavor and texture, enjoy them immediately while they're still hot. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top can really brighten their taste. Don't forget a classic tartar sauce or a zesty spicy aioli for dipping. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely touch for presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.